Hey everyone and welcome back. We're diving deep today, really deep, into AI and spatial computing.
Yeah, it's going to be a wild ride.
Buckle up, because we're looking at EON Reality's 2025 technology roadmap. And let me tell you, they've got some seriously ambitious plans.
They do. They really do.
We're talking AI that can learn like us, AI that can perceive the world around us, and even, get this, AI with a lifelong memory that remembers everything you've ever done together.
It's pretty mind-blowing stuff. EON Reality has been a major player in the AR/VR world, focusing on training and education.
Right. For a while now.
But this roadmap shows they're making a huge leap towards, basically merging immersive tech with AI in ways we haven't really seen before.
It is. It's really exciting. And a little bit intimidating, to be honest.
I know, right?
But before we get too ahead of ourselves, let's start with the foundation of everything EON Reality is building, the knowledge simulator. So, what exactly is this thing, and why is it so important to their vision?
Okay, so full disclosure. EON Reality is being a little mysterious about the specifics, but based on what they have revealed, the knowledge simulator seems to be like the brain, the brains of their whole operation.
Okay, I'm following you. The brain.
It's like the next generation of AI. It goes way beyond what we see with current AI, which is mostly about recognizing patterns and making predictions from data.
Right, which is already pretty impressive, to be fair.
Oh, absolutely. But the knowledge simulator is different. It's about understanding the why, the relationships between different concepts. It's almost like it's building a mental model of how the world works.
So it's not just spitting out facts, it's actually understanding the connections between them.
Exactly. It's understanding the context.
Wow, that's huge. I mean, think about the implications. This could revolutionize education, research, even just how we interact with information in our daily lives.
It could. If they can pull it off, it has the potential to be a game changer.
Okay, so let's talk about the potential downsides. Because with any new technology, especially something this powerful, there are always going to be risks, right?
Oh, definitely. For one thing, building a system that can actually understand relationships and context, I mean, that's a monumental task. So there's the issue of accuracy. Can they make it reliable? And then, there's the potential for misuse. Could this technology be used to spread misinformation or even manipulate people?
Those are definitely questions EON Reality will need to address as they develop this technology. But let's move on to another exciting piece of their roadmap, spatial IQ. This is all about AI that can see and do, right?
Yes. This is where things get really interesting, visually speaking. We're talking about AI that can perceive and interact with its environment, not just process information in a vacuum.
So like, instead of just telling you the best route to the airport, it could actually see the traffic in real time and adjust your route accordingly.
Exactly. Or imagine you're designing a building in AR, and the AI is actually looking at the space, the materials, everything around you, and making suggestions for structural improvements based on its real-time understanding.
That would be incredible. What about other potential applications?
Oh, the possibilities are endless. It could revolutionize robotics, allowing robots to navigate complex environments like disaster zones or even just a crowded city street.
Right, without bumping into everything.
Exactly. And in AR, it could create experiences that blend seamlessly with the real world. Like the AI understands the physical space around you. No more clunky overlays or things glitching through walls.
That sounds amazing. I can't wait to see what developers come up with. Okay, so we've got AI that can learn, we've got AI that can see and interact with the world. What else is on the horizon?
Well, how about AI that's customized just for you?
Oh yeah, the EON N24 AI assistants. This is where things get really personal.
It is. It's personalized AI. Think about it. Instead of a generic chatbot, imagine an AI assistant that's specifically designed for your profession, your needs, your goals.
It's like having a personal expert in any field, available to you 24/7.
Right.
That's incredible. I mean, for healthcare workers, for example, imagine an AI that can instantly access patient records, cross-reference symptoms with the latest medical research, and even suggest potential treatment options.
Exactly. Or think about educators. An AI that could personalize lesson plans for each student based on their learning style and their progress. It could revolutionize how we teach and learn.
And it's not just about education or healthcare. This could be applied to any field. We're talking about increased efficiency, better decision-making, and potentially even life-saving outcomes in fields like medicine.
It's really about empowering people with the knowledge and tools they need to do their best work.
Okay, so now for the big one. The one that has me both excited and a little bit terrified. Lifelong companion infinity memory. AI that remembers everything.
Everything, every interaction, every conversation, every task you've ever worked on together.
I mean, on the one hand, that's incredible. Imagine an AI assistant that knows you better than you know yourself. It could anticipate your needs, offer personalized advice, and even help you grow as a person.
Right, like having a mentor and a best friend all rolled into one.
But, and this is a big but, there are definitely some ethical concerns here. I mean, if your AI remembers everything, what happens to your privacy? What happens to your sense of autonomy?
Those are important questions, and I think it's a conversation we need to have as a society
Mm,
because this technology is coming, whether we're ready for it or not.
right, and we need to be prepared to deal with the implications. So, as we wrap things up, I want to go back to EON Reality's overall vision for the future. They're not just building products, they're building a new way of interacting with information, with technology, with the world around us.
They are, and they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. It's exciting, it's challenging, and it's definitely something we should all be paying attention to.
Absolutely. So, to our listeners, I want to ask you, what stood out to you the most from EON Reality's 2025 roadmap? What are you most excited about, and what are your biggest concerns?
And more importantly, how do you think this technology will shape our future? What role do we want to play in its development? Those are the questions we need to be asking ourselves as we move forward into this uncharted territory.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the future of AI and spatial computing. Until next time.
See you then.